Welcome back to another video. This is Lenny's. Hope you all had a peaceful Thanksgiving. Mine was chill. We just stayed home for Thanksgiving, and the following day we drove to Stone Mountain. Stone Mountain was a place where I wanted to visit ever since we moved to Georgia, so it was on my bucket list. So we got to spend all day there. There is a lot of attractions going on right now because the holidays are coming or whatnot. So we hike up the mountain. It's a mile up and a mile back down, and the views are so beautiful. Once you get to the top, it just looks so nice. You're able to see Atlanta. So we had fun. We missed a couple things. We didn't do the sky ride because it closed at 6 and the time doesn't help. It just gets dark so fast. So we didn't get to do the sky ride, which I really wanted to do, but oh well. What else we didn't do the Dino Exhibit, and we missed the parade because at the time of the parade we were on the in the train ride. So we definitely missed that. But it's so beautiful. The Stone Mountain Village is just decorated so nice for Christmas. They have the laser light show that was pretty cool. And I'm not sure what my husband recorded. He was the one that took care of all the recording this time around. So I will show, whatever it is that he recorded. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog. Bye.
Away from all the people. Oh, el tren. Ooh, we're going through the woods. Careful for the monsters. Come on, let's go. Oh, where are you, Chiquito?
In Stone Mountain.
Stone Mountain. Make a sword.
I already have a sword.
Alright, well come on, let's go.
Ta-da!
I just want to stay away from all the big crowd. We're fine as long as we stay parallel to where everybody else is going. We'll make it in the same spot.
Are you ready for me to hold it now?
Road.
I just chopped that thing off.
Come on.
I just chopped it off! Is it my turn to hold the GoPro camera? You're not cheering.
¿Vamos para allá?
can.
Aizen.
Right here. Ah. Huh?
You see what happened? They threw one down. Look from the boot. Okay, Aizen, you're gonna stay with us, please. Stay with us. Come on, come on, come on.
Vente, vamos a seguir a mamá.
What is this white line for?
To tell people that this is the way to go down.
Which one is which?
One, two, three.
Oh, sorry. Olive blinked. Can you try that again?
1, 2, and. Oh, I didn't say it this time. I
yeah,
gotta
You made it.
Hello.
Oh. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Bye.